Hi guys, hope mko fiti and you're having a good time wherever you are. Karibuni sana to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. To my premium gang, thank you so much guys. Nawapenda, I really treasure you guys. And to my returning subscribers, you guys, you're the best. Thank you so much to those of you who've supported me this far. And today guys, we want to make a few things, so it's going to be like several videos. So this might be the intro for all of them. So today we're going to make some fabric softener, we're going to make jik, and we're going to, not jik, like bleach, sorry. We're going to make bleach, and we're also going to make liquid detergent. So to start us with, we are going to start with the fabric softener. And for the fabric softener, we are boiling some water. So we're going to boil the water, and then later on I'm going to explain the whole thing. So this is just an intro of this series. We are saving money. We just have to save money, guys. We just have to save money. After the video, or rather at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you where I bought these products, how much I used, and how much I have saved. Because if you can save some coins, save them, guys. Save them. So I have the products I'm going to show you later, and then yeah, so the water is supposed to boil, completely boil, and then after that we mix the products, but nitawaelezea pia. So after maji yetu imechemka, I have a bucket, iko na mwiko. So this mwiko, we've never used it, I bet. So it's going to be for the sabunis, because I'm going to be making them often. So we have, as I said, we have 3 things that we need to make. So this is our jik, our bleach. You know, sisi ni wale wasiosema omoya sunlight. But we have, this is for our bleach, 5 liters bleach. It's going to give us 5 liters bleach, and this went for 120 shillings. So we have the fabric softener. Of course, wameandika Star Soft because we are Kenyans. So this is what we're going to use for the fabric softener. We're going to use this salt. I don't know the scientific names. We have some color, which is pink, and we have perfume. So I want it to have like concentrated perfume. So we have that, and this went for 550 only. So it's going to give us 8 liters of fabric softener. You can already do the maths. You can already do the maths, guys. Unanunuanga Star Soft how much? Yeah, 1 liter. Yeah, 750 ml. Yenye nilibuy juice hata sijui ilikuwa how much, but trust you me, it's a lot of money. So the other thing that you're going to make is soap. So the soap is going to be candle. That's a separate video. So we're going to start off with kuweka maji, and then we mix the crystals, or rather the salts, and then tutamix pole pole. We're going to use 3 liters of water in this case, and then after that, after the mixing up, we're going to add 5 liters of water. So the first step, you're supposed to use hot boiling water, which you just boiled, and then after that you're going to add water which is neither iko hapo lukewarm. And I have also seen some videos you can do even cold water, but you're just going to use the instructions from wherever we bought this. Use warm water for the second round, and then we're going to leave it for like 24 hours, and then that is up to tomorrow. And then when it cools down, we're going to be adding our, what is it called, he color pink, and then the fabrics of the perfume. Actually, you don't have to leave. You can, we will add that like after it may cool down, after si moto sana, and then you're going to leave it for 24 hours just so ishikane, because saizi itakuwa a bit light. So let me put some water. guys, you have just seen, you're supposed to add the crystals, and then in 3 liters of boiling water, and then you're going to what? You're going to stir ishikane kabisa, and then after that you're going to add 5 liters of 5 liters. No, I don't want it to be so light, so I'm going to add 4 liters of water, and then after it cools down, I'm going to add a bit of the pink color, yeah, and some perfume, and then let it sit. And then kesho tutaiweka kwa machupa zetu. We have like bottles ready for that work. Yeah, I think this is one of the money savings ideas that we need in 2023. So the consistency is okay, but it's a bit light, but I was told when it sits for some hours it's going to be good at the end of the day, itakuwa vizuri. So let me just add water, the 4 liters. Yeah, and that will be it. So I had told you that we need to put the color later, but no, that's not the case. You need to put the color right now and then add in the water. So this is my first time making this soap, so you need to bear with me. So I'd advise that you put the color separately. Don't put it directly into the mixture that we had, and you'll put depending on how much concentration you want on your color. I wouldn't want mine to be so much, so I'm just going to use kidogo, like put in like half a liter of water in here. I don't know if that's enough, but I think it's not much enough. Let me add more color. So they didn't have much of an option for the colors, so we went for pink, and then the soap we're going to use another color. So some more color, I think yote tu nika tutatumia tu yote, because that's like 8 liters is a lot. Akucha yangu moja ilivunjika akiwadau because of motherhood shenanigans. So that's it. So we're going to mix it up. You make sure that it's well mixed. It's not forming flakes, just like the way you make your uji. Now make sure haina flakes. So we are mixing up the color. Ooh, it's pretty. But since we're going to add our water, it's definitely going to get less concentrated. So that's it. Wow, I love how it turned out. So let me just finish this color. Yote. So these items, I got them at Juja, near the stage, at some stalls. I'm going to give the exact location on the screen, and then so after this we're supposed to mix our water and leave it to rest for maybe 1 hour to cool down, and then I'm going to be adding the perfume, which is this. Yeah, so it has a bit of flakes, but hizo hazinishtui. So let me add the water kidogo. Let us stir. I can't believe I'm making 8 liters. Is it 8 or 7 liters of fabric softener at 550 in my time? How much saving is this? How much of saving have we done, guys? So some more water. So guys, we have our fabric softener. Hey, yeah, trust you me guys, 8 liters of fabric softener, 8 good liters, and it's not as hot, but we're going to leave it to cool, and then I'm going to add our perfume. So guys, our fabric softener some minutes later was cool already, so we're adding in the perfume, and the perfume smells so nice. So apparently it's going to thicken. Right now it's not sat for long, it's going to be thicker than this. Yeah, so don't worry if yours turns out like this. And that's how you make your fabric softener, guys. Comment down below how much you buy your fabric softener at, and also, do you think this process is easy? It's not. It's like a 5-minute process, guys. It's like a 5-minute process, and you will save a lot of money. Yeah, so that's it for us. Pink fabric softener and some nice perfume. I love the perfume. Yeah, it's nice. It's very nice perfume. So this one is for the soap. Thank you guys for watching until this time. Hey, me, I'm so excited. The fact that I have fabric softener with me right now. 8 liters of fabric softener. I hope it's 8 liters. Yeah, I hope my maths is correct. Yeah, so tell me, how easy do you think the process is? Do you think you can adopt this and make it in your house? Do you think it's worth it? Do you think you can advise someone to start a business maybe and be doing this as a side hustle for those who are not do not have access to such things? Yeah, comment down below and tell me, what are you doing to save money in 2023? Because we want to earn more money and save more and use less. So yeah, I've definitely saved my husband some coins. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe right now. Please subscribe right now. Thank you guys. I love you. Bye.